Hi, I'm Jessica from the Old Barn. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the Screen Porch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your outdoor space an oasis, a place that's inviting and comfortable and relaxing, and a space that you can enjoy every single day. There's a few elements that'll help you get there, and I'm going to take you through them step by step. Let's go get started. Grab your tea. Designing and building our home, and I imagined this outdoor space, I pictured a place where I could sip coffee nice and slowly each morning, and where my electronics junkie kids would want to unplug and unwind. I also pictured this as being a space where friends and family who were visiting would feel relaxed and like they were on vacation. I wanted the space to be comfortable enough to stay for hours, deep in conversation, or playing a game or reading or taking a nap. So I thought about the places where I felt that relaxed feeling, like when I'm on vacation, and I've noticed those things that are in those spaces that help me feel that way. The first thing we need to do is start with a neutral base. So we have a neutral rug and neutral sofa and chairs, and that tan beige color just keeps things very calm and relaxed feeling, so that we can add little pops of color strategically. We're also going to arrange this furniture in a nice, cozy, comfortable, conversational area so that everybody sitting in this space can see and talk to each other. There are a lot of really fun card decks and conversation starter decks that you can find out there. My favorite are the Ridley's box sets. They come in really pretty boxes that always look just really nice sitting out on your table for someone to pick up and start a fun impromptu quiz game. Now it's time to add a pop of color. I've gone with navy and white here because I feel like it gives a calm, relaxed lake vibe that I'm going for. You may choose to go with more vibrant colors for a more energetic feel. Just choose the colors that work great for your personality and the look that you're going for. Be sure to add plants to give the space life and movement. And a beautiful pop of green always helps too. I don't think you can have too many plants on your porch. They can give a tropical feel if you choose tropical plants. For this porch, I've chosen to give a southern relaxed look by using wildflower looking plants and some ferns. When you're spending time in a space, it's good to provide an activity. Some ideas are to include a game or books, quiz cards. You might set up pecans to be shelled or peas. Making s'mores is always a fun activity for an outdoor space. In this case, we have a tic-tac-toe game and pecans to shell. This gives us something to do while we sit and chat. Next, incorporate comfort elements. This is an outdoor space, but it should feel comfortable temperature-wise no matter what the weather. So add blankets, a ceiling fan, an outdoor or portable AC. The other part of keeping things comfortable is making sure that your space feels casual enough that a person can relax in it. So don't make it too formal or stuffy. Keep it nice and low-key. At night, lighting will give your space a sense of warmth and a glow about it that will be so inviting. On this porch, I've added lanterns all throughout the space. There's also an overhead ceiling light in the fan. I like to have many different points of light in the space, at least 3 different points. Party lights or twinkle lights are also great ideas. And last but not least, make it personal. Add items that speak to you and make you smile. Put a bit of you in this space. The things in this space that I used are the pig doorstop, the oars on the wall, and the quilt made by my mom. These are personal items that make me smile. Other ideas for personalizing your space are to include items from your travels, maybe shells from the beach, or a deck of cards from your trip to Mexico, or a mini Eiffel Tower from Paris. So think about what you can add to your space. It's you and personal, and also makes you want to spend lots of time in there. And don't forget, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos just like this one.